йдемо до тебе.
Ruscists were taken prisoner in 24 hours by soldiers of International Battalion of Azov Brigade. Soldiers from the International Battalion of the 12th Brigade Azov captured 18 Russian occupiers in just one day. This happened during the clearing of the village of Zolotiye Kolodiaz in the Dobropilya direction.
4 месяца уже здесь находиться без связи.
One of the prisoners said that he had been in position without communication for 4 months. The occupiers were shocked that they were not shot, but instead were given cigarettes and taken prisoner. Recently, in the Pokrovsk sector, strike drones freed Ukrainian soldiers from enemy captivity. The 7th Rapid Response Corps of the Air Assault Forces reported that 4 Ukrainian servicemen had been captured by a Russian sabotage and reconnaissance group. Russian forces launched an assault on an observation post defended by Ukrainian troops. Later, an aerial reconnaissance unit patrolling the area detected the group of invaders escorting the captives. Strike drones from the 25th Airborne Brigade, the 68th Jaeger Brigade, and other adjacent units were immediately dispatched to assist. The approach of a swarm of FPV drones disoriented the enemy and diverted their attention. Taking advantage of this, the Ukrainian soldiers managed to break free from enemy captivity. Russian fighters attempted to hide in bushes and trenches, but within minutes the group was struck by more than 10 Ukrainian strike drones. Meanwhile, shocking moment, another Russian Penguin soldier is blown up on the battlefield while wearing bizarre anti-drone camo. This is the dramatic moment. Yet another Russian soldier disguised in penguin-like camo is spotted and taken out on the battlefield. Footage captured by a Ukrainian weapon system shows the soldier wearing a white cloak marked with black patches that blends into the frozen terrain. As the camera zooms in, the soldier hiding under the invisibility cloak then stumbles forward. A clear trail of footprints can be seen in the snow behind him, which gives away his identity. Moments later, he is struck by a Ukrainian drone strike. In the aftermath, Ukraine's 121st Separate Brigade of the Territorial Defense Forces posted online, "The hunt for penguins is yielding fresh results." The incident is one of the latest tactics being used by Russian forces along the front line. This disguise is believed to be an attempt to evade drone detection and reduce visibility from the air. However, Ukrainian forces say the tactic has proved ineffective, with this soldier quickly neutralized.
Numerous conversations with President Putin of Russia.
This curious episode comes as an American plan to guarantee Ukraine's security is 100% ready to be signed, according to President Volodymyr Zelensky. The Ukrainian leader said he is now waiting only for a time and place to formalize the agreement, a move that could mark a major step towards ending Vladimir Putin's brutal war.
Plan 90% agreed, and US.
Once signed, the deal would be sent for ratification by both the US Congress and the Ukrainian Parliament. For us, security guarantees are first and foremost guarantees of security from the United States, Zelensky said. The document is 100% ready, and we are waiting for our partners to confirm the date and place when we will sign it. However, hopes of immediate progress were dampened after talks between Russian and Ukrainian negotiators, mediated by the US in Abu Dhabi, failed to produce a breakthrough. Within hours of the talks ending, Moscow launched a ferocious overnight assault, killing at least one person and plunging millions into darkness. Critical infrastructure was targeted, including central heating systems and electricity grids, leaving civilians without power or heating as temperatures plunged below freezing. Zelensky said Russia unleashed more than 370 attack drones and 21 missiles of various types during the barrage. The talks had raised cautious hopes after American officials suggested discussions had gone better than expected. Meanwhile, Russian forces sustained heavy losses on February 7th, with 730 troops killed or wounded and 1,256 units of military equipment destroyed in the previous 24 hours, according to Ukraine's General Staff. Since launching its full-scale invasion on February 24, 2022, Russia has lost an estimated 1,245,290 personnel. Ukrainian General Staff report that the most significant equipment loss was in drone warfare. 1,161 operational tactical UAVs were taken out in a single day. The General Staff noted ongoing intense combat operations across the front line. Russian forces continue to deploy drones, artillery, and aerial bombs in large volumes as Ukraine's defenders repel assaults and inflict consistent damage on enemy formations. Earlier, Ukraine's 429th Achilles Brigade used FPV drones to destroy a North Korean-made M1989 Koksan howitzer that had been shelling positions near Kupiansk from occupied Luhansk, highlighting Ukraine's ongoing use of drones to neutralize long-range artillery threats.